right, maiden voyage 2022. A little chilly, chillier than at home anyway. 65 at home. Yeah, mid to low 50s down here. Can't really see the water temperature yet. What's it say? Oh, 44 degrees there. Nolan's got a crappie here. Looks like a pretty good one. Flip it into the boat. Oh, that's a good one. We've got a couple so far off camera. Green for St. Patty's Day. Not bad. 10 inches. Yeah, just a little crappie. I don't know. We might send this one back. Little guy. Pretty though. Well, that looks like a good one. Oh, flip him up. Very nice. Pretty good haul tonight, bud.
Look at all the splashes.
It's awesome. Well, ended up being a pretty good night. We caught, I think there's 6 or 7 crappies in the live well, and more than that. Well, we can count them when we get back to the dock, but time to head back. Hopefully we can get back out this weekend. The weather's not going to be anywhere near as nice as today. In fact, rain and snow, but maybe after the snow on Sunday we can get out here. We'll see how it goes. So, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.